This is Honest Digits and welcome to our Moshop tutorials, and today I want to show you how you are going to receive your commissions with our #1 Africa reselling application, which is Moshop. Remember, this application you can download it from Google Play Store. Now I want you to follow step by step and I'll show you how you're going to do sharing this application, and you'll receive your commission by just sharing task only. Now today, that's what your focus is on. Remember, Moshop is Africa's #1 reselling application. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you're going to make money and start your business with zero investment. Moshop is #1 Africa reselling application, where it's going to give you an opportunity and also give you more money online. As we continue to look into how to make money online, stick here to the end. As you continue to log in, this is #1 Africa resale application, and remember, Moshop is giving you an opportunity to have money into your account and paid through your phone. Right now, you can do this with the simple basic sharing tasks that I want to show you tonight. Now, to start earning, go direct to your commission tab down here, then click on this tab here. So when you click on the commission tab, it will take you to another page where it will show you all your commissions and your earnings. You can see the task bonus commission, direct commission, underlying commission, rebate amount. So all these are for you to earn money. But because of the basics for today, I want to show you how to earn. So our first task today, we are going to look at how to complete a task and earn your commission. In our next video, we shall look at how to invite friends and earn commission. Then the third phase, we shall look at how to purchase and earn direct commission. Then the fourth one, we shall look at how to upgrade to VIP and earn underlying commission. These are all the steps that we shall look into, and I will show you exactly how much you can make when you upgrade to VIP. Now, before we proceed, I want to show you this, how to earn this task bonus by only sharing on your WhatsApp and Facebook. Now down here, you will see invite by WhatsApp. What you will do, you will click the invite button. You'll click this button here. It will take you to WhatsApp, where you will just click one. Take for example, when you send to this friend of mine, it will send an option, and this message will go to him, to her, or him, and then you will have finished the task. This task will pay you 2 shillings and 50 cents, which will automatically, as you can see on your account, it will be added here on this tab here where it has tasks and bonuses. It will add itself here. So you repeat the same to the second, the third, and the fourth WhatsApp invite, and your amount will be added on the task, bonus, and commission. The same time, you'll proceed with the Facebook. When you click the Facebook icon, it will take you to Facebook, and you'll invite, post there. When you post on Facebook, it will give you 10 shillings, which will be added to your task, bonus, and commissions. Then when you finish up with Instagram. Remember, this one is on our first day. You'll come here, and then your amount will go to 30 shillings. You'll withdraw this amount here. Now this is how to withdraw. you'll put your phone number here, and then when you put your number here, it will automatically tell you to withdraw. So your amount must be 50 or 300, 500 and above. So you withdraw the amount, and then it will directly send the amount to your M-Pesa account. That is how to finish this task on the first day and get paid. Simple. So if you love this video and you want to get a permanent solution on how to make money online, stick to this video, because Moshop will give you #1 reselling business for free without investment. You can resell most of our products and items and get money and profits and commissions. Watch the next video about direct commission, how to gain direct commission that I'm about to show you. Subscribe, like this video, comment down there below. Let me know how much money do you need right now? How much money do you need right now? Down there in the comments, let's make this community very engaging. See you in the next video.